Hello and welcome to some 3D design. I'm the third of 8. So, I am actually doing a voiceover of this video because it sucked, to put it simply. I actually was leaving for a trip to visit my family in Idaho because I live in Utah, and it was literally like I had to go. Like when this video was being made, I had to go. So it was really stressful. So that's why I'm gonna do this voiceover of this, because you know, you just don't do as good when you're stressed, and that's a fact. So before I get into this, I want to talk about my good friend 3D Printing Geek. So he and I met, I don't know, it feels like eons ago. Can't remember how or anything, but anyways, I actually took a look at his channel. He does some really cool stuff. Like, I watched his video on 3D printing a Halo helmet, and his contraption of how to fit everything onto someone's head is amazing. Like, I am extremely impressed. So yeah, go over to his channel. I'll leave a card on the corner. Was it like the top left corner? Something. You'll see it pop up sometime, eventually. So anyways, let's get into this. I'm currently struggling what to do. Yeah, reference, background. I actually didn't have the picture of the sword on my computer. Or did I? I couldn't find it, to put it simply, so I'm just gonna fast forward through this. Oh, here we are. Anyways, so I guess I finally got it on there off my hard drive. Going over. Where is it? Where is it? No. Yes. And I did that, and I don't know why it does it. Well, I guess it makes sense why it does it how you look at it. So I just did top view, scrolled in a little bit, did it again, and then it's not straight on there, so I gotta move that. Why am I not moving it? There we go. Man, this is weird doing it like this, but squishy. Oh, it's not straight. It's not straight going up and down. Oh, that's a no-no. Oh. At least I got a line like that. Still. Oh my gosh. I mean, it drove me crazy then. Let's see what I say about it in there. I'll just put a clip in there right now. Oh, for heaven's sake, you just get straight. That's as straight as it's gonna get. Guess I'll have to do things. I'll probably work on the blade first. Wait a minute. Is it like not centered when I scanned it? I don't think it is. Oh well, I'll have to make do. Let's see. But yeah, why is that not straight? Ugh. So yeah, what do I? Oh yeah, okay. I'm scaling it down. Probably gonna do. Oh, I didn't do the Z-axis. Yeah, scaling it down to match at least one side. Then I'm gonna do I can't remember what it's called, but I did that. Then I'm gonna delete half of it. And I'm gonna do a mirror modifier so that I don't have to do twice the work. And if I didn't do that, it wouldn't be correct on both sides, which would drive me crazy even further. So I'm going to bring it all the way up there. Add some lines in the middle. Specifically to where the point of the sword starts to curve in. Point of the sword? Side of the sword? I don't know. I'm sure you guys get it. I'm trying to scale it in, but I can't. Oh, that was great. Aren't they just adorable? Then I put another one there to... What the... Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot to do the clipping. 'Cause if you don't do clipping, it kind of splits or something. It does weird stuff. So once you do clipping, just go... Wait, why did it... Oh yeah. Guess I have to redo that. It also probably would help if I weren't grabbing both points on the first time. Oh, it's not straight. Okay. I think what I... Yeah, I rotate the image. Because, I mean, what else are you going to do? Gotta get it just right. Just right. That is... I don't think it's straight. I mean, it looks straight. And it's as straight as... Oh, what am I doing? Oh, alright. So yeah, that's a lot better. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's better. Then I'm gonna scale it down to Z-axis, cause ain't no sword blade that fat. So there, it's on a diet, or rather went on a diet. Now I'm just adding that so I can make the whatchamacallit, the fuller of the blade. That little groove right in the middle of it. And yeah, I'm scaling that down so that it makes the edge of the blade. I don't want to make it too thin because this is going to be 3D printed. So then scroll in. Then I'm gonna just use the knife tool because it's gonna take this is just gonna take too long to make a bunch of lines, go and straighten all that. And just gonna go all the way down, and then realize that I went too far, and then go up. Oh, the things that happen when you're stressed. I push enter and ta-da! There's my line. What am I gonna do next? This was like a week ago, so I can't remember what I was talking about. Oh yeah, that's right, I didn't do it on the... Oops, what was that for? Wait, what? I'm confusing myself. I think... Wait, what am I doing? Good heavens. This is why you do a good recording first, so you don't have to do this. Oh yeah, I think I'm gonna extrude down or something like that. No. Yeah, no. Oh, that's right. I made it flat. That's kind of wonky there, and don't think I saw that before. Alright, I'm gonna add a shader so that I can actually see the doggone thing. Scroll down and do it in the viewport display. And I copied the shader color, then assign it to that spot. Ain't it beautiful? And not straight. Oh well. Anyways, so I'm going over. Actually, what I'm... Oh. Ooh. That was scary. Oh yeah, I scaled it in. No, extruded it in. Didn't like that because of that back part. I'll do a little short thing of what I mean. Since words are hard. Let's just say that. Words are hard. Words are hard. Then I kind of scale it in so that it looks better. I did that. And that looks good. I haven't made a blade like this, so I'm pretty impressed with myself. I mean, yeah. Except that tip. That tip. No. Wood would mock at it. Wood would laugh at it. Alright, I'm saving it because it's good to save often. Because it would just suck if I lost everything that I did. And I always do mark 1. And if I do a revision, I do mark 2. Helps to keep track of something. So yeah, look at that ugly tip. Ugh. 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 I think this is where I just go like, that's it. I'm cutting it in half. Yep. There we go for that. Now what am I going to do? Huh? What am I going to do? Huh? 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 Okay. Anyways. Oh. That's... Okay. Yeah, that's probably the best thing I could have done. If only you could get it exactly straight. That's not exactly straight. That looks straight. I did that. Ooh. So yeah, that looks good. Then I'm gonna do. Was that back? No, that's front view. Okay, interesting. I'm gonna select all that, delete it, and that's that looks really weird. But then, and then, stop looking at it. What am I saying? Okay, then I try to find the right thing, and that's not the right thing. That is the right thing. So now, I only have to do it on one side. Bloop, bloop. Then, oh yeah, I gotta fix that nightmare tip. Ooh, just, whoa. Put it simply, that's not how sword points look. And scale that sucker in. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Except when I go into the side view later. Yeah, like... Or... Yeah, right here. It's just too... It's too straight. If that makes sense. It's just... That doesn't work. That does. There we go, because... Oh yeah, that's right, because edge will go all wonky. But yeah, no sword blade really has a very straight triangular top part. Flat top? I don't know. If that makes sense. So that looks better. This is where I'm... No, I gotta do this part. So I'm gonna extend it down to where the hilt will cover it up. And that's the sword blade. And I probably save right here. No? Yes? Or did I save earlier? I must have saved. Hopefully I saved. Scale that sucker down, because now we're working on the hilt. Make a line straight down. Badoop. Wireframe. Delete one side. Go over to modifier. Do another mirror. Then take a look at that. Oh. Oh yeah, and I'm doing that. Deleting the bottom too. And I just got a message from 3D Printing Geek that he never got the model, so I will have to resend that. And what are you doing? Oh, yeah, that's right. Then you gotta bring that in. Oh no, bring it out. Okay. No bringing it in. No hugs. Right there. Down there. Do I rotate? No, I don't rotate it here. Yeah. So I do that. Do that. Scooch it down. Drag that down. And then, what do I do here? Oh yeah, add a middle one. I think I thought I did it on accident, but I needed to do it eventually. So I did. I added another one. Re-added. I don't... Oh, I must have pushed G or something weird. Or just dragged it wrong. I don't know if there's a faster way to do something like this. Oh, I think there is. It's subdivider. You push W and there's a subdivide thing. Tool, whatchamacallit. That probably would have made things faster, but I guess I just like to do it like this. It's a visual thing, I guess. So do that, and I'm gonna work more on the midsection. Midsection? Would it be called? It's not really midsection. Side section. A mid-side section probably would be a better word for it. So I get that aligned at the kind of triangle area. Bring that in. Scooch it aside. Make 2 there. Drag both those up. Probably move one. Yeah, move that one. Right there. Go up. Move that one up. Also, I should probably mention that this sword drawing, I redrew the sword just to make things straighter, but I cannot take credit for the drawing. Rather, the original drawing concept. That was done by 3D printing geek. So if you want to check out that video, oh, and there's the clipping thing again. Yeah. So if you want to check that out, I will leave a card right now and a link in the description. And he did a marvelous job on the drawing. And here I am just messing around. I'll probably put the audio there for that. So yeah. So yeah, link in the description, card on the corner thingamajig. And I'm really impressed with how he drew it and stuff. Like, I suck at drawing, guys. I really do. I have to use a ruler or it looks like a 2-year-old draw it. I talk like a 2-year-old right now. Words are hard. Words are hard. So yeah, I'm really impressed. So, good job, my good sir. Good job, my friend. Anyways, back to the fight. No, not back to the fight. This ain't no fight. This is just modeling. I mean, it is a bit of a struggle sometimes. It can be. Now I'm just adding some more dimensionality, something like that. Dimensionality, I guess. Oh, if it's not a word, it's the word now. So yeah, adding some 3D-ness to it. There's a new word for you. And I guess I'm talking. Yeah, I guess I was talking there. Scrolling up, trying to. Oh, my word. Oh yeah. Wait, what am I doing? What are you doing? Oh yeah, I'm looking for. They used to have a diamond shape on there. I don't know where it went, but that's what I was looking for. And if it somehow pops up in there, I'll just put a little bit in there. But if not, wait, what was that? Oh, that was a meatball. Blank stroke. No, it's not there. I don't get it. I thought it was in the meshes and there were extra meshes or something like that. Maybe it's in the, I don't know, some sort of setting modification thing. So I just take a square, rotate it, scroll it down, scale it down. Ba-doop, ba-doop. That gets it close enough. So I zoom in, pushing period, which is blissfully nice. And then I'm going to scooch it down. I'm going to size it down so that it's about the shape of that diamond. And I almost moved it on the x-axis because I thought it wasn't straight, but it's basically straight. And then I'm going to... Oh yeah, I was trying to scale it in on the x-axis, but that didn't work. So I had to... I had to go and select both points, then scale down that way. That worked, so I guess that makes sense why that worked. So yeah, there it is, all pretty and fancy. Go to that view, wireframe. Added a... Oh yeah, I'm gonna delete. Okay, are you gonna delete it or not, me? Come on, what are you doing? Yeah, there we go. Man, was I distracted. I can't blame myself. That is not the design you want, boy. There you go. Okay. So now, I'm going to make, in the drawing, I'll put a picture right here. There is a sort of, what would you call it? A diamond-ish shape to it. So that's what I'm doing. So that looks good. Now I'm going to color it up a bit. Gonna make this. This is literally the only hex code that I've memorized is FFD 700, and that's the hex code for gold. So I just find that funny. I don't know why. I'm going to try and make it metallic, and it looks so pretty. I'll put my audio here because I think it was funny. Oh, it's so pretty. Make it metallic. Ooh, shiny. And I just can't decide on the sheeniness, something like that. Now I'm going to color the stone. And since this is going to be more of a hero sword, I decided to go for a gold and red theme. Because that usually looks pretty. 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 So yeah. Except, I'm not very good with the shaders. Like, the limit of my knowledge is the diffuse shader, and that is very, very limited. Like, I can make it colorful. That's about it. For anything else, I probably have to look it up. Scale that down. Scale it on the z-axis. Yes, like that. Because sword handles, I learned this from video, that sword handles apparently are not circular. They are more oval in shape so that the blade doesn't kind of turn when you're holding it, because if you're fighting that happens, that's not good. Like, it probably isn't good for the other guy, but it's especially not good for you. So, yeah, oval. Sticking with it. So I got that in the right size. It does look very too ovally, if that's a word. I guess it is now. So, trying to fix that up. Because with the crossing, my word, I'm tired or something. But with the cross guard, I don't want it to look weird there either, so I guess I just left it. Now I'm gonna figure out something. Oh yeah, I'm trying to do that crisscross pattern in the picture. And guys, I did not know how to do this before, so when I found this out, I was so, well, surprised and happy. Like, seriously. Also, that didn't work. Like, I'm just discovering so much. Like, now I know how to do that. Except, well, you'll see. I come across a problem later. But yeah, so we do that. Didn't want to add a line. Didn't want to do that. So finally did that. Rotated it, holding down the control button. Excuse me, good heavens. So that it goes, well, you can see, I'll put a circle in the corner, but you can see how it goes up by a certain increment. Otherwise, it goes like to the decimal points like crazy if you don't do it like this. So I just held down the control button, rotated it at a 45-degree angle, scaled it up. Do 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 do. Do, 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 do. Then that was good, so there we go. Now I saved it. And then I tried adding another one, but it looked really weird. And I was trying to add it the other way to make a cross, but that wasn't working out. It just went no. Why did I add one there? I don't know why I added one there. Oh, I guess I needed to. So I guess I added more lineage. That's not a word either. If it is, I don't know. And, well, I guess that did look fine. So I guess I did that down there. I think. Oh, no. Why am I, no. That, it didn't work, boy. What did I do? Did I scale this? Yeah, I dragged it out. But we still have the same problem, though. I just left it anyway. Or did I? Yeah, I just left it. This is just really... It's really weird talking when you've already done this, because you don't remember what you talked about. So here I am selecting this, and then I'm going to... I left that one alone. And then I'm going to extrude it inward to make those grooves. It's not quite like the original design, but it's close. So I just stuck with it. Then I gotta get it like that. Then it looks really weird on top. It's not like the sort of inside. So I scale it out on the x-axis to make it more even all around. Yeah, that looks cool. Then I make it gold for whatever reason. I have to add a new one. What is this, like wood brown? No, handle brown. Or just handle. I had a feeling I was going to do that. Then I couldn't then I couldn't like get rid of that one, so I had to do that. Go over there. Also, I need to find a better way to make brown. I don't know if there is another way, but this is the best way that I've found, I guess, in this video. Just kind of darken it when you get to red, or no, not red, when you get to orange. And copied the hex code, scrolled down to the viewport, pasted it in there so that, yeah, so it does that. But yeah, it's just so pretty. And then I lightened it a bit because it just was too dark. So I scrolled up, back here, pasted it back in there so that it's in there when it renders, if I wanted to render it for a reason. And then I decided to try something else. The grooves, I wanted to make it a bit darker, see what that did. So I did that. Tried to, adjust it. Paste it in there. Scrolled up, assigned. And I thought it looked pretty good. It's just so beautiful. But yeah. So I did that. Then I looked at the above. I looked at the above thing. And then go to the UV sphere, which is ginormous. And I explained something here about the rotations, so I'll just cut out this audio and put that in here right now. And the reason why I'm rotating it this way is because if you do it the other way, because you see how the lines go like that, like up and down. It's because it'll look better when you do it like this. Because if you do it like that, it just doesn't look right. So yeah, that's why you rotate it like that for this sort of thing. So now I'm talking about if it were vertical, it'd be okay to do it like how it was when it generated. So now I'm just trying to scale it down, put it there, scale it, yeah, that axis, stick it in there, and it looks really weird, which makes sense. And then, okay, why is everything face? There we go. And so I'm going to select the proportional editing, and what that does is something that's been very useful. It kind of distorts everything in a radius, as you can see. It's very handy. It saves time and all that good stuff. Just trying to get it just right. Just about there, and then I think I scale it down. Yep. Then what am I doing? I guess I'm taking that and dragging that up. Make it look prettier. Then what do I... Oh yeah, it's still sticking out right there. Wood right there. Guess I did it that way. That looks better, I think. Except it's kind of oblong. What am I doing? Oh, I guess I'm trying to... Oh yeah, I do. Okay. Yeah. So I guess I fixed that up. I'm taking a look at it. And that part right there. That was on the side. That looks wonky. And I scaled it down on the X. I don't know why. But yeah, is it just me or does that look big? It's my designing, I think. Whoa, what did... Oh, yeah, I copied it, jetted it over there, scaled it on the x-axis. This technically isn't cheating in my opinion, so... And then it looks good, or at least I thought, in this time when I'm recording this, I thought it looked good, but I guess back then it didn't look good. So then I'm gonna do something. Am I leaving it? Yes? No? Maybe? Oh, I'm making this gold. Pachoo. It's so beautiful. It makes me want to cry. Not really. Then I go down, make that metallic. And it's so pretty and shiny, shiny, shiny. And I must be talking because nothing's moving. What am I doing? Okay. Yeah, here we go. Why is it? Oh, yeah. Apparently I had it upside down the entire time and I didn't know it. Which explains why I was kind of moving a bit weird. Oh, forgot to turn that off. Make it go down. Ooh, he's pretty. I'm sure it could have looked, I don't know, maybe with a subdivision surface thing to make it more smooth. Maybe it would have looked better, but again, this would be 3D print. This is gonna be 3D printed out, and you know, trying to print it that smooth, I guess it's just how do I explain this? It makes it detailed, but it also makes the file size big. Maybe there's a way to fix that. If there is, let me know in the comments what you think can be improved with my technique. Because I know, I should have said at the start of this video, I'm not a perfect designer. I don't do this for the grandeur and glory of... What am I saying? I don't know what I'm saying. I guess what I'm trying to say is I'm not a professional. And I'm okay with that. I'm okay not being professional. I just do it because it's fun. It's like why I started this channel, why I play games for you guys. I do it because it's fun. I mean, maybe I'll make it into a job or something, but for now, I guess it's just fun. Because it's important in life to do what you like. Like, do what you enjoy for a job, I think. I mean, as long as it's appropriate, but anyways. Let's go up, over. I guess I'm trying to make it smoother? What's a good word? More normal, I guess. You know, if I were to grind that, I would be appalled. Just because that grinding job would just be awful. Just trying to get that one part right. It just looks weird. Like, I don't think metal's supposed to look like that in real life. That's the thing with daily design. You can make something, but in the real world, it like, compared to real stuff, it just doesn't look normal. Like, you don't see that. If you do, well, I don't know what you do. But, anyways, I think I finished it up. And I'm just looking at everything, making sure everything looks good with the reflections and all that. Checking all the angles. Hiding that picture so that I can actually see the sword instead of the picture. And I went to the render, and it looks weird. It doesn't look reflective like the normal viewport display. That's rendered mode, and it looks like a toy. It looks plasticky, but that's because of the shader. And also, I'm struggling to find. There we go. So yeah, because the surface is... It's just a standard one that you do when you add one. It's not a metallic surface. I don't know how to make it look like metal. Put that in the comments if you want. Like, do you have any suggestions or ideas of how to make metal look like metal in the 3D world? Let me know. So yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. So remember, go over to 3D Printing Geek's channel, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and subscribe and hit the notification bell on this channel if you want. And that's it. If you want to see more 3D design, let me know. And I'll see you next time.